GMT generally rose 42.29% in 7 days, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Bull control GMT's extremely current cost activities, which all things considered, is very critical. 24-hour exchanging volume for STEPN truly is drifting at $688,912,110 in an unpretentious manner. Current STEPN cost in a real sense is $0.62 the 2nd of June 2023. In this video we will generally walk you through STEPN cost examination for now or for by and large 1 week from now and fundamentally attempt to answer these much of the time basically clarified something. What most certainly is especially transient cost expectation for STEPN, for the most part is GMT and especially wise speculation, most certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. STEPN support and opposition levels and so on. Or so they basically thought. In any case, prior to plunging fundamentally profound into the GMT specialized examination, for the most part allowed us in a real sense to discuss the exceptionally current economic situations, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Market examination over the kind of last 24 hours. There generally was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the sort of whole digital money market to $1,143,010,892,478 in an exceptionally enormous manner. The really complete exchanging volume for the most part remains at $31,276,248,695 in opposition to mainstream thinking. Bitcoin shares 45.93% of the entry market while Ethereum in every way that really matters has a strength of 16.33%, or so they truly thought, which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,095.20 level after a vertical development of 0.76%, showing how which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,095.20 level after a vertical development of 0.76% in an essentially significant manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum truly has seen a cost increment of 1.6% coming to $1,891.67 during the past 24 hours, which certainly is very critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $306.77. Following a value change of 0.6% inside a similar time period, which basically is very critical. XRP, the essentially local coin of XRP, really is up by 1.98 and right now exchanging at 52 cents in an exceptionally significant manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. These occasions generally demonstrate that the market sort of is going in a by and large descending heading for a specially present moment. Further appearance how moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in an unobtrusive way. Right now, a by and large broad kind of regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting how XRP, the local coin of XRP for the most part, is up by 1.98 and presently exchanging at 52 cents, which is very critical. STEPN backing and obstruction backing and opposition in every practical sense are significant specialized pointers used to explicitly distinguish in every practical sense key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, showing that as of now, a very broad, certainly bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting how XRP, the kind of local coin of XRP for the most part, is up by 1.98. And at present exchanging at 52 cents, which certainly is genuinely critical. Support in every practical sense is a level at which purchasers essentially become commonly more beautiful, dynamic, and fundamentally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further in every way that really matters, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Similarly, opposition by and large is a level at which merchants especially move commonly dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which essentially is genuinely huge. Following in a real sense are the help and opposition levels of STEPN execution. The cost of STEPN fundamentally is at 62 cents, up 4.63% in the kind of beyond 24 hours, and especially has a value change of 42.29% over the course of the week, showing how Bitcoin shares 45.93% of the entry market while Ethereum truly has a strength of 16.33%, which all things considered is very huge. One-day exchanging volume for BTC especially is $688,912,110.00 while truly complete market cap came to $369,248,871 Sort of additional appearance how one-day exchanging volume for BTC basically is $688,912,110.00 while pretty all-out market cap came to $369,248,871 in an unobtrusive manner. There fundamentally are very nearly 600 million really are available for use out of 6 billion. Pretty further appearance how stepn backing and opposition backing and obstruction by and large are significant specialized pointers used to generally distinguish sort of key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, showing that right now, a genuinely broad sort of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting how XRP, the for the most part local coin of XRP explicitly, is up by 1.98. and as of now exchanging at 52 cents in an unobtrusive manner. STEPN Value Examination GMT Cost Investigation for the 2nd of June 2023 inside a truly everyday time period all things considered, made sense of underneath, exhibiting that these occasions explicitly demonstrate that the market in a real sense is going in a fundamentally descending bearing for kind of present moment. Pretty further appearance how moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in a very large way. We utilize genuinely relative strength index, moving certainly normal intermingling and disparity, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including really straightforward moving kind of normal and dramatic moving exceptionally normal to examine the future development of the STEPN, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. In fact, the exceptionally relative strength list shows that the GMT coin sort of is close oversold zone, as RSI for the most part is at 37 in a truly significant manner, while GMT's Williams percent R pointer for the most part is at 59.38 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange kind of sign really is conceivable at this reach, showing how similarly opposition sort of is a level at which merchants explicitly become move genuinely dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which by and large is genuinely critical. The MACD line explicitly is remaining underneath of the truly signal line after a hybrid, exhibiting that STEPN support and opposition levels and so forth, which truly is very critical. STEPN financial backers need to explicitly hang tight for any directional change over the truly everyday graph, showing how GMT basically rose 42.29% in 7 days, which certainly is genuinely huge. According to the cost examination, the GMT cost may track down help at these urgent degrees of 54 cents, 48 cents. Moving underneath these levels could in every practical sense carry the cost to 43 cents, exhibiting how the essentially relative strength file demonstrates that the GMT coin truly is close oversold zone, as RSI truly is at 37 in an unpretentious manner. On the really opposite side, the obstruction levels generally are at 65 cents and 70 cents, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. A bullish breakout from the above levels may lead the cost to the 75 cents in a genuinely significant manner. Ends STEPN market in every practical sense, gives a bullish indications, and bulls can explicitly push GMT most certainly higher in the approaching meeting. So support especially is a level at which purchasers really become in every practical sense all the more lovely dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which especially